So this is a laptop, a working computer, and the things that make it a working computer is number one, it has a screen, a big screen you can work on, and a keyboard, and of course the internals, which are your processor, your RAM, your memory, and all that stuff, and of course software. That makes a computer. But what if I told you you can turn your Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold into a computer because it has everything you need? Well, almost. So one of the things it has software, and the software is good enough to work like a computer. The other thing it does have is when you open it up, a massive display. Okay, so that's a 10-inch display. Of course, not as big as my laptop. Actually, yeah, not as big as my laptop, but it's a considerable size for a phone and for something that can fit in your pocket when folded. And today I'll be showing you how to turn this into a computer, just how to create a computer setup with your Galaxy Z TriFold. So one of the things you need for this is a stand. Okay, so you can pick up a stand like this for phones and tablets, and you can open it up and close it. And when it's closed, it's very portable. And then when you need to use it, you just open it up like this. Okay, and then you can place your tablet on top of it, and now you have a usable display. Okay, now to solve the other two things, which is the keyboard and the mouse, you can go and get yourself a Bluetooth keyboard and a Bluetooth mouse and connect them to your computer, or rather to your Galaxy Z TriFold via Bluetooth. Once you've connected your keyboard and mouse via Bluetooth, you are good to go. So now you can see we have a mouse pointer here, okay, that you can use to navigate the system. I can go home, I can swipe up to go to the app screen, I can open apps. So for instance, if I want to open the browser, I can click on that and then click that, and that's gonna open my browser. Okay, so let's just get through this. And I can read articles and scroll at will. So for instance, I can read this article. I can just use this like a full-blown computer, of course, with a keyboard and mouse, as you can see. Okay, so I have a whole computer setup with my Galaxy Z TriFold. Now, when I'm done, I can just pick up my phone, my laptop, fold it into a phone, put it in my pocket, and walk away. Okay, and that is basically how you can create a computer setup or a workstation setup with your Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold. And of course, with Samsung DeX, you can take advantage of all the features that make it look like a computer and make the interface usable with a keyboard and mouse very easily. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.